cool, Eric. Damn.
Bigger than mine.
Yeah, shall we save it or put it in back?
Save it.
Oh my god. The lure is like inside. Shit. How are we supposed to get it out?
Maybe we can kill it first.
You gonna kill him?
But then you're not saving it.
We can't save it. Whoa!
Shit!
Yep, it's
No,
out.
shit!
He's
Shit!
alive.
It's out! Well, now you can save it. Fuck! Look
My
at it!
camera is destroyed! Bastard! Kill it or put it in the water?
Well, you caught, you decide when. But if you're gonna eat,
No, we can't eat just one.
okay, then throw it back.
Yeah,
Throw
you
it
can
back.
throw it
throw
back.
it back. Maybe it's a female and she has
Men
full
vadå,
baby.
kan inte...
Yeah, but take pictures before.
Va?